In a horrific massacre, 460 people, including patients, were brutally killed in a maternity hospital in Sudan's El Fasher. According to eyewitness reports, the brutal killings were carried out by fighters from the paramilitary rapid support forces who laid siege to the city. The Sudan Doctors Network has claimed that following the capture of El Fasher, the rapid support forces burst through the wards of the maternity hospital and then went on a shooting spree. Condemning the killings, the United Nations and the World Health Organization has called for an end to the military escalation. Meanwhile, the head of the Rapid Support Forces paramilitary group has vowed to unify Sudan through peace or through war after his forces captured the key city, acknowledging what he called abuse by his forces. The RSF Commander General Mohammed Hamdan Dagalo, who is sanctioned by the United States, has said that he is ordered for an investigation into the incident.
There are violations that happened in El Fasher. From here, we are announcing the formation of an investigation committee, and the announcement is not only talk. Our committees have arrived now in El Fasher. The legal committee is now in El Fasher. They are now staying in El Fasher. They are attacking people and not allowing people to work or fulfill their duties, referring to recent escalation. But now our committees have arrived in El Fasher. An investigation committee should start immediately to hold any soldier or officer who committed a crime or crossed their limits towards any human accountable.
The Sudan's army controls most of the country's north and east, having recaptured Khartoum in March 2025, while the RSF holds the territory in the west and southwest. With the army having abandoned El Fasher, the RSF now holds all 5 of Darfur's regional capitals, while fighting continues in the southern region of Kordofan. The UNICEF representative Sheldon Yett said that the situation in Darfur is simply horrific.
The situation is horrific. Here we have a city that had been under siege for over 600 days. No food could get in, no medicine could get in, none of the basics of that communities that children need could get in. And now these same residents are subject to the most horrific violence, most acute violence. So it is absolutely horrific. This is not the first time that health workers at health institutions have been hit in this war, but such a massive number of people being hit in a maternity hospital, that's just despicable.
And our correspondent Louisa Olani has sent us this report. Listen in.
The devastating situation emanating from Sudan's ongoing crisis has led to global outcry as videos on X showed people in London waving Sudan's flag in solidarity, condemning the genocide by RSF militia against innocent civilians in El Fasher. Sudan's Tribune's post says the commander of Sudan's RSF, General Mohammed Hamdan Dagalo, on Wednesday acknowledged abuses by his troops and pledged to hold any soldier or officer who committed a crime accountable. Acclaimed critics say will yield no tangible results like in the past. EU, other world leaders and human rights organizations are calling for a stop, even as US senators called on President Donald Trump to intervene immediately. Sudan Doctors Network said RSF killed at least 1,500 people over the past 3 days, with fears of escalation as over 250,000 civilians are trapped from fleeing. From Lagos, Nigeria, Louisa Olani, WION, World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.